For you, I will. I've seen the storms behind your eyes, the silent fights you try to hide. You carry more than you should bear, but you don't have to carry it alone. I swear, when your world starts coming apart,